Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome back to day 14 of reading and writing. Today, we are going to continue practicing another important reading skill, summarizing. It's important to summarize what we read so that we can better comprehend and understand all of the important information. Summarizing in your own words. We are going to use this chart to help us summarize some of our reading today. TFFC. T, we're going to identify the topic. F, fun fact number 1. We are going to write down one fact from what we've read. Fun fact number 2. We're going to write down another fun fact that we've read. And C, my favorite part, the clincher. We are going to write an interesting sentence to sum up the text. Please turn to page 18 in your book and watch me as I summarize sea otters. Sea otters are related to weasels. Their thick, dark fur, which keeps them warm in the ocean, is the thickest fur of any animal on Earth. Sea otters have broad, flat, webbed hind feet, which help them swim in the water. But walking on land is difficult. They are playful, social animals, but still spend a lot of their time alone. They may be cute, but otters are still in danger. Otters are endangered mainly because they have been hunted for their fur. Oil pollution, poaching, and fishing equipment are also threats to otters. Anchors aweigh. Otters can be seen floating in large patches of seaweed. They twist their legs through their vines and sleep peacefully, knowing the seaweed will keep them floating away from the other otters. Watch me as I use TFFC to summarize sea otters in my own words. Sea otters. Fun fact number 1, they are related to weasels. Fun fact number 2, they are cute, but they are in danger. Clincher. They are endangered because they are hunted for their fur. Watch me as I take TFFC and form a summary. Sea otters are related to weasels. They are cute, but they are still in danger. They are endangered because they are hunted for their fur. Boys and girls, please look and see how I took all the 4 bullet points for TFFC and formed it into a summary. Boys and girls, you are going to read your Animals of the Sea book for 20 minutes. You are then going to read pages 36 and 37 specifically and summarize what you have read using TFFC. When you are done with that, please join us back for our writing workshop. Welcome back, boys and girls, to day 14 of writing. Today, we are going to continue editing our essays. Just as we did yesterday, we are going to use cups to help us edit our essays. We are going to make sure that everything is capitalized: names, places, the word I, titles, and sentence beginnings. You, usage. We need to make sure that we are matching nouns, verbs, and tense correctly. Punctuation, period, question mark, exclamation point, comma, and spelling. We need to make sure that all of our words are spelled correctly. Please follow along as I read my edited version. You will note that in purple, I have highlighted all of the editing marks that were not done correctly on the left side. As you can see on this left side, the first letter in the word plastic was not capitalized. So you can see that I have highlighted it to show you that I have edited it for my complete version. I am reading the right side of my screen. Plastic pollution causes great harm to the organisms big and small that encounter it. I made sure that I added the word it and put a period. From tiny corals to majestic whales, comma, more than 700 marine species are known to be killed either by the ingestion of plastic or entanglement. As can be expected, this results in millions of animal deaths a year. On page 11, it states that oil spills, dumping trash, and excess chemicals all have terrible consequences on the health and well-being of the ocean. For example, comma, dangerous levels of harmful chemicals have been found in the eggs of sea turtles, which may affect the development of babies. Boys and girls, please look and see how I have edited this second version using cups. I made sure that everything was capitalized. I made sure that there was correct punctuation. And now you are going to do the same. Today, you need to make sure that all of your paragraphs have been edited using cups. Tomorrow, we will begin to publish our final versions of our essays and read them to our audience. Please join us back tomorrow for day 15 of reading and writing.